Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am yours Rahul. So in this video, I am here to give an updation regarding the 79923 course, which is somewhat similar to the main exam. So many ask me how it will be for the main exam, and some are telling about the latest version, that is version 3. So what I did was I done both the code regarding latest version as well as the old version. With the latest version, I have done, and out of 24 test case, I got 16 test cases right, 8 are wrong. It's regarding the null pointer uh, exception. I didn't understand what's the how to resolve that one. And for the latest version, I didn't done with the test case, but the code is running successfully. And During last May cycle, those who done three test cases passed. Okay, they got distinction, and from current cycle onwards, from November cycle onwards, they released this SOP, and in that they mention like from this time onwards they are selecting candidates after the main exam. They like the evaluation is based upon percentile, not percentage, it's percentile, like the ranking system. If you have four test case pass and your opponent have three test case pass, they will choose you. So the more test case you pass, based upon that they will select you, like that it is. And uh, having 16 test case pass, uh, you will get a higher chance of uh, getting distinction. So it's based upon you, and all other things I given the code, uh, and I will share both the codes, and it is paid for both the code and one explanation video regarding the same. I am charging 3,500, and for the next 24 hours, the cost for the course is 2,500, and after that it will be 3,500. And any doubt regarding the code, you can ping me, no issue with that. And I will show you the codes. This is the thing, 8 errors, and I didn't use any other models or anything, and I didn't use bearer or anything. I just call all the headers and everything directly in the code. Whatever given in the Fresco Play course, I did the code in that way only. I didn't add anything extra in the test case as well as in the code part. Just return whatever available in this one, like that I given. So in Spring Boot with version 3, it is build success. I didn't given test cases for this because with test case there might be some change in test case for this one, so I am not aware of that. So all other part, all other test cases and everything, all other security part, everything is updated in this one. So if you have any query, you can ping me. So see you in next video, and I will try to upload more JWT based exam based video regarding the same. So thank you.